everybody. I'm Justin Choate. Welcome to Faces of First Commonwealth. Today, we are joined by Dayana Cruz Hanchard, who is a loan expediter here at First Commonwealth. She's actually had 2 stints here at First Commonwealth, which we'll get into. Dayana, thank you so much for being here with us today.
No, thank you so much. It's an honor actually to be here and you guys taking the time to chat with me for a little bit.
So you started your career here as a universal banker, but you've now stepped into the loan expediter role. Talk about that transition and what feels familiar and what's been different so far.
Wow. Yes, I started as a universal banker here, focused mainly on member services, anything from transactions, opening accounts, and, taking care of any needs that they had at that time when it comes to banking. Now similarly, I'm doing a little bit of everything in the background, but more focused on lending, reviewing applications, more compliance. Not that I wasn't, but more compliance now because that's a specialty that I'm doing now.
For someone who might not be familiar with the loan expediter position, can you share a little bit about what that position does? What do you do on a day-to-day basis, and how does your work help members during the loan process?
Yeah, as a loan expediter, we help our members, assist our members with application process when it comes to lending, whether it's an auto loan, personal loan, home equities. We assist them right through the process. We collect all the necessary information to complete the application. We are the ones that are in between members and underwriters, our loan officers. Once the loans are approved, and pretty much we just make sure that everything goes smooth as possible and fast as possible for the members.
So, Dayana, you've had 2 stints here at First Commonwealth, first as the universal banker, second now as the loan expediter. When you think about your time working on the front line, working directly with the members, what's something that you learned that still guides you today in your current role?
Wow, the importance of having clear communication and at the same time being empathetic with the members, and making sure that we are listening, asking the right questions to be able to discover the members' needs.
So as a bilingual team member here at First Commonwealth, you have the ability to connect with our Spanish-speaking members and community here. How has that ability shaped your experience, and how does it tie into your own personal passions?
Yes, me being able to be a universal member here, associate here at First Commonwealth has been something that is way beyond my expectations when I came in first starting at First Commonwealth. Number one, I didn't know that at the financial center it was a huge Spanish community where it was needed to have a universal banker, and I was able to assist members in ways that a lot of times members don't know exactly what they need, and just the fact that I speak the language and it's someone they can trust and they can open up to, I was able to discover many things, not just helping members to walk through, I just need a loan, help them through the process of the importance of credit, doing and structuring them in ways that they can grow, and also possibilities for them to not just come to the credit union for a bank, for a loan, but to bank with us in having a checking account, growing into owning a vehicle, and also having possibly a mortgage. And just seeing that growth in members over time, it has been over, an experience that I don't think that when I applied to work here at First Commonwealth, I was going to see myself, like to be able to see that and see the appreciation from the members. It's just mean the world to me.
Dayana, you briefly stepped away to help with your family's business, but made the decision to return earlier this year. What was it about First Commonwealth and the members here at First Commonwealth that drew you back?
Yeah, the visions and values, definitely. The support, tremendous amount of support to the community. Being able, my family and I migrated here, and being able to help in the capacity that I had assisted so many Spanish members, that was very close to my heart. Once I stepped out because I was helping with a growing business that me and my family have, I missed that connection. That business is out of the country, so I went from just having an office at home and working from home, and not having the interaction with the members. I really appreciate that interaction with the members.
So, Dayana, whether it's celebrating the really big milestones or easing member stress on a day-to-day basis, what do you find to be most rewarding about walking our members through that loan process?
Being able to discover exactly. A lot of times members come in and they think that they know what they want. And, I discover that at the end of the day, what they thought they needed, it was something else. That is rewarding for me. And, the other part is when you walk a member through the application all the way to the end, which the goal is getting approved for a loan, whether it's a car, or home equity or personal loan. It is very rewarding. A lot of our members, they're not, especially the Spanish members there, they don't know the whole process that it goes into it. They don't even know if they're going to get approved. So being able to give them that good news is something that I never forget. Their smile in their face.
We always enjoy learning a little bit about the person beyond the role. So can you tell us a little bit of what you like to do outside of work, some hobbies or things that you like to do in your free time?
Right. Well, I love to travel. That's my go-to. When I'm not here and I have a free time, I'm traveling. Love to learn a lot about different cultures. Love reading. I recently got into mindfulness practices. That is one way that is really helping me to be able to center myself and give the best of me in my job, as a mom, and as a friend and sister and daughter.
So looking ahead, Dayana, what excites you most about your future here at First Commonwealth and the role you play in supporting our mission to empower our communities?
Right. What excites me the most here at the credit union is being able to empower the members by helping them on their financial goals, as well as, I know that growth will help the community in return. Going out there and reaching also to the schools, and we teach in a lot of our young ones, getting in there and giving the financial information for them to know a lot of information that it wasn't available before is one of the things that is very meaningful to me. And I'm grateful that I got that opportunity.
Dayana, thank you so much for joining us here today. It has been a really great pleasure getting to sit down and chat with you.
Thank you so much, Justin. It has been a pleasure for me to sit here and talk to you too.
And thank you all so much for watching Faces of First Commonwealth. For Tyler Pace, our director and producer, I'm Justin Choate. We'll see you next time.